What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Goodheart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, let me start our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a cracked skin effect in Canva. In this cracked skin effect tutorial, I'll show you how to create a unique and realistic cracked skin design using Canva. You'll learn how to blend textures and overlays seamlessly to make it look as though cracks are forming naturally on the skin. This effect is perfect for adding a dramatic, edgy touch to portraits or images with customizable layers and textures to create your own artistic twist. Expect to create something visually striking and completely different from typical image edits, giving your designs a fresh and creative flair. Let's get into Canva, and I will show you how to create a cracked skin effect. But before that, here is the design that I will create. I am now on a blank Canva design page, so let's create a design. To start, get your subject image from photos or uploads. I will get mine for this tutorial from uploads. I will click and insert the image into the design page. You can find this image in photos by typing the keyword face of the beautiful woman with long brown hair into the search bar. I selected this photo of a woman facing the camera in a studio setting with a dark background to emphasize her facial skin. This area will be the only one in color, making the cracks more visible and pronounced later. The trick is to use a dark background so the crack and grunge texture will gradually fade out as it extends beyond the face. Then, I will set this image as background. This effect is super easy. All you need is imagination, realistic elements to match the skin and make the cracks look believable, and a creative approach to seamlessly overlay and position them on the face. Now we're going to find the crack overlay textures to use on the subject image. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and type the keyword crack or crack overlay in the search bar. Hit enter and you will see so many options to choose from. Under graphics, I think I will pick this one. And I will show you the exact keyword, which is wall crack illustration. Let's use this element in our design. Resize it and position it here, I think, at the right side of the image. Look, this element is realistic and adds a shadow when overlaid on the skin, making it more believable. To continue, search for other crack overlay elements in the library by using a different keyword. This time, type black crack over white background. Or you can also use detailed grungy cracks overlay texture. These keywords under graphics will give you crack overlays that are thinner, more focused on crack lines, and finer compared to the first one we used. Finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known in deep search to help you find the exact stack Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Now I'm going to select the second overlay. I'll click it to insert it in the design. And I'm going to spread it across half of the woman's face. Let me show you how it's done. It's really up to you how you want to lay out these overlays. You can rotate it or you can flip it to make the cracks have different angles and directions. Awesome, we're getting there. For smaller cracks and more precise details, let's search for another keyword that you'll love. Go to the Elements button in the left sidebar. Let's clear the search bar here. And type in the keyword dry cracked earth texture, or you can also use grunge crack texture background into the search bar. Hit enter and you'll see under graphics so many options to choose from. Scroll down until you find the one that fits your design. Let me see. From here, I think I'll select this one. Again, you can rotate or flip the elements to make the crack stroke in different angles and directions. Done. This is the final look of the design I created using the cracked skin effect in Canva. As easy as that. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, Good Heart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.